Are you looking?
As more families embrace
Home-cooked meals and stylish table settings, the demand for high-quality dinnerware sets has grown rapidly. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying everyday dinners, a great dinnerware set enhances both presentation and functionality. This guide evaluates the best dinnerware sets based on material durability, design appeal, ease of maintenance, and overall value. Perfect for both casual dining.
List number Malacasa 24 pieces gourmet porcelain dinnerware set. Elegant and sophisticated, the Malacasa 24-piece gourmet porcelain dinnerware set offers a premium experience with its high-fired ceramic build. The glossy white finish gives it a timeless look, while the modern square design adds a contemporary touch. Crafted from non-toxic, lead-free porcelain, it is microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. Ideal for daily use or formal dining. The set includes dinner plates, dessert plates, soup plates, and bowls, making it versatile enough for any meal. This Malacasa set is perfect for families or anyone looking to elevate their dining experience with a complete and luxurious collection that's built to last.
List new Corelle Vitrelle 18-piece glass dinnerware set. Service for 6. Known for durability and minimalistic design, the Corelle Vitrelle 18-piece dinnerware set is a favorite in many households. Made with triple-layer strong glass, it's chip-resistant and surprisingly lightweight. This set includes dinner plates, bread plates, and cereal bowls, ideal for everyday meals. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for smaller kitchens. And it's both microwave and dishwasher safe. Corelle's timeless white design pairs well with any kitchen decor and is easy to mix with other tableware. If you're looking for low-maintenance dinnerware that's built to endure the daily grind, this is an excellent choice. List number Corelle Vitrelle 18-piece service for 6 dinnerware set. Another standout from Corelle, this 18-piece dinnerware set features the same ultra-durable triple-layer Vitrelle glass as its counterpart, but with a slightly more refined, stylish appeal. Lightweight, yet incredibly strong, it resists chips and cracks better than traditional ceramic sets. Its modern patterns and clean lines make it a standout on any dining table. Ideal for those who prioritize long-term durability and sleek aesthetics, it's microwave, dishwasher, and oven safe. Great for busy households. Corelle's reliability and design make this set a smart investment for years of daily use.
List number Amazon Basics dinnerware set, 18-piece, microwave, and dishwasher safe. If you're searching for affordable quality, the Amazon Basics 18-piece dinnerware set delivers excellent value without compromising functionality. Designed for service for 6, it includes full-size dinner plates, dessert plates, and bowls. Its durable porcelain build is microwave and dishwasher safe, making cleanup and reheating a breeze. The minimalist design suits various dining themes, and its stackable nature makes storage simple. This set is ideal for students, first-time homeowners, or anyone looking to furnish their kitchen on a budget with a dependable everyday dinnerware set.
List number Amazon Basics Kitchen Dinnerware Set. Plates only. This Amazon Basics Kitchen Dinnerware Set is a streamlined option for those who mainly need durable and stylish plates. Available in multiple colorways and designs, it's perfect for households looking to upgrade or supplement their existing collection. The plates are microwave and dishwasher safe, crafted from quality porcelain that resists cracking under daily use. Though it doesn't include bowls, it's an excellent, cost-effective solution for those who already own compatible pieces or want a flexible approach to building their dinnerware set.